Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. So the first step is you heading over to WhatsApp and basically hitting the button with three little dots on the top right corner of your screen. After you've done that, you are going to select the settings option. This should take you to your account page. Now, and when you get to this point, you need to select your account and then go to the first option, which is privacy. Here you can select what you want to be seen and not to be seen by everyone. Now my status, now we are going to have the option is my contacts accept, and only share with. Now as you can see, I have it set to my contacts, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And also you can modify the last seen to be either everyone, my contacts, and nobody. Now this is all up to you, and you can set it as you like. Basically the last seen shows if you are online or offline and when you were last online. That's all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.